Hey, what's up? Zilliqa hold your software very long time. Zilliqa is starting moving upward now. Zilliqa is wake up, and from last 24 hours, my friends, especially they take a very huge jump now. So it's a really great news for all of you too. Zilliqa is wake up now. What's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis? And what's my opinion? Absolutely, I share my opinion in this video. Please hold the last 24-hour chart. As you can see here, my this time they will be massive occur. Please, before I get started this brand video, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Zilliqa and as wake up from last 24 hours, I take a very huge jump. So I cannot expect this, my friend, from Zilliqa to they will take a very huge jump like that, especially. But this is the reality, my friends. To Zilliqa is absolutely, my friends, take this type jump now, and it's a very good news for all holders. My brother, you know, if you invest for a long time, then exactly this coin is not good for you. But this coin is very good, my friends, for you to if you invest for a short time. So invest now for a short time and take a very good profit now in a short time, my brother. So as you can see here, Zilliqa, one of the stable coin, this time they cannot face down more and more, just and only when they face down. So very for a short time they take a very badly face down, but for a long time they will move up now. So it's a great news for all of you. My brother, Zilliqa absolutely chances, there is more chances, it's a priority from all coin, and there is more chances to they will wake up in upcoming days, and especially when I see my friend the previous change occur. So I'm so bored, but absolutely Zilliqa upcoming time is going to be bright now. So you need to follow every Tech channel and understand what I talk you. Absolutely, you never lost in a crypto market. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.